Save your soul, save your soul.
Oh my god, you guys, we're at the Chanel store. Hi, hello. Hi, that's awesome. Hello. Oh my god, I love your apron. This is so cute.
This is our number 5 100th year anniversary factory collection. So it is all limited edition body products and ancillaries, and some really cute packaging that looks like everyday stuff like paint tubes, a shoe polish tin, some embossed bottles, and some little travel paint tubes, and some body oil.
Nice. So cute.
Yes. So look how cute these number 5 bath tablets are. They're individually wrapped little bath bombs. And so
We've got shower gel. Getting the mystery box.
And 704. Color sticker.
Can I get the hot pink? So cute.
So glad you came. I'm so glad you came on our opening day of the factory. Yay. Got some goodies. Got my fan on me because it's really hot in here. Yay. With our Atlanta factory stickers. Thanks for coming.
So I got the mystery box, guys. I'm gonna go home and show you guys what that is.
Tell them what your name is.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited. I'm back home now. As you guys saw, I just finished up my little shopping spree at Chanel. I'm lucky enough to have a Chanel boutique right around the corner from me in my hometown. Yeah, a few weeks ago, Chanel announced another limited edition collection which was coming out in the spring. Nobody really knew when. So in the United States, it actually came out on June 29th, which was a Tuesday here. Everything is inspired by everyday items. And it was also another little collection to celebrate their 100th year anniversary as the House of Chanel. Like, that's huge. They came out with these cute little products. You've got a paint tub full of, bath bombs. You have like a oil canister full of body oil. You have a shimmer body oil. You have a water bottle. You have washi tape. And the packaging is different too, as you guys can see. So anyway, let me just stop talking and show you guys what I got. But here is the bag. So they put the lunch bag inside of a normal, typical white and black classic Chanel bag. So it's tied up here with a ribbon and it says Chanel on it. And here is the first lunch bag. So my beauty advisor told me that they came out with these number 5 factory 5 Chanel bags. So cute. I got to pick what color sticker I wanted. So obviously I went with the hot pink one because I love the pink. And it just says Chanel Factory 5 Atlanta. How cute. So let's open this up. Oh my gosh, I just see a lot of goodies in here. That's what it looks like inside. How adorable. Oh my gosh. I got tiny little samples of, I have a number 5 eau de toilette in this cute little carton, and it looks like you can just pop it out the back here. So adorable. A number 5 Chanel eau de parfum. Oh my gosh. Can you guys see this? How adorable. So cute. And they come in like this little cardboard little cutout. So cute. Okay, I have the Factory 5 limited edition Chanel booklet, and it shows you guys all of the products on the front here. So there is the body cream, the shower gel, the body lotion right there, These are the shower gel packets, body oil, and bath tablets. How cute. So let's open this up. Okay, so it gives you a little bit of information, and this is adorable. It's a coloring book. So cute. And you've got all the Chanel products like laying around in the room, and it's like an adult coloring book. This is adorable. So fun. Okay, here's like a bike repair shop in someone's garage. And what do we have here? Oh my gosh, on the wall, they have the travel size perfumes like displayed in this bike garage kind of thing. So fun. And then here is just the entire collection laid out for you, and it explains everything in here. The shower gel has 20 pods. The shower gel tubes, you get 1, 2, 3, 4 tubes in that. Oh my god, I think I need to get my hands on the sparkling body gel. That looks fun. And honestly, I don't know what it is about this No. 5 body oil. I think this little canister looks so cool. Like just laying on the bathtub as a showpiece, I think it would look so adorable. 2 more items. Oh my goodness, let me take them out. Are these Chanel candles? I got 10 candles from Chanel. They're just black and white striped. How cute and adorable. And my birthday's coming up, so this is giving me a lot of ideas. Oh my gosh, and there's 10 cupcake toppers. And the toppers are the little No. 5 Chanel Eau de Parfum bottle. And it's just white. How cute. And also you can just pop it out from the back here so that you don't ruin the packaging. These were free gifts with my purchase. So I'm so lucky to have my beauty advisor. Like, she seriously takes care of me, guys. Okay, the last item in that bag I have here is like this envelope, and let's just open it up. It just says No. 5 Chanel Paris. What is this? Oh my gosh, it's like a fishnet bag to put all your goodies in. Oh my god, this is adorable. So it's fishnet, it's white and black. And on the inside here, it says No. 5 Chanel right there. Hello, everyone. Adorable. And I can put all of my little goodies in here so they don't get lost. I'm so excited. So those were the contents in one of the bags, and here is my actual purchase. So this bag, I got a blue sticker on it because that's just the color that popped out to me the most. So once again, it's just put in a regular, typical white and black Chanel bag. I'm gonna open up this ribbon up here. Another Chanel lunch bag. So cute. No. 5 Chanel. And it says Factory 5 Atlanta on the sticker. Okay guys, so this is my actual purchase from this entire collection, which is the Mystery Box by Chanel. Okay. All right, you go to the side. Oh my gosh. Okay. All right. Oh my god. I'm actually holding a giant Chanel No. 5 cone in my hands, guys. I really don't want to rip this open. This is just so cute. Okay, it says No. 5 Chanel Paris La Pochette Surprise The Mystery Box. So yeah, I guess I'm just gonna have to tear through this thing because there's no like right or wrong way to open it, I guess. Just gotta tear through it. All right, here goes nothing. Just gonna rip it open. I don't like this one bit. Okay, so this is the mystery box. Yay! There we have the contents of the mystery box. And so, oh my gosh, so nostalgic. I think I know what this is. This looks like a hand towel that you're supposed to put in like a tub of water and then overnight it expands. I'm pretty sure this is what it is. As a kid, like, I used to love it, but I wouldn't really have any use for it. So, I mean, I don't know. Okay, let's open this up. Okay, so this just comes right off. And then, oh, the back has instructions and it says, wash before first use. That's all it says. Wash before first use. So yeah, it is a little hand towel. So I'm gonna pop this in a tub of water to watch it expand. Next item is this cute little thing. And it comes with like this little velvet pouch. So luxurious. Oh, this is really fine. This is a glass nail file by Chanel. And it comes with a little velvet pouch to put it in. Okay, so I got a nail file, cool. And the last item is this little bag. Adorable. Let's pop it out. I got a full size number 5 Chanel on hand. Okay, so I got a number 5 Chanel Paris on hand cream, a full size one. Wow. So for the price of just the hand cream, if I were to buy this alone, it would be around, I think, $70. And that's exactly what I paid for the mystery box. So I think it was worth it. I got a cute little nail file, got a little hand towel, and then I got a hand cream. Okay, so it's the same kind of, little squeezy tube right there. I'll show you guys. Okay. Oh, it smells like Chanel number 5. Okay, really, really nice, really nice. Smells completely different, and the texture of this cream is completely different from the other one that I own. Interesting. Smells really good. Okay, so this packaging on this hand cream is super matte. Black lettering, it says number 5 Chanel on it, on hand cream. But yeah, so cute, my little egg. Put that back in the pouch. Ta-da. And the last thing I got in here, which was like sticking out, it doesn't say anything on it. It just says Factory 5 Collection. It's a poster. Oh my gosh, how nice. That is so nice of Chanel. And this was also a free gift with my purchase. Factory 5 Collection, and I got the one with the bath tablets. How adorable. Factory 5 Collection, Chanel Fragrance and Beauty Boutique at Avalon. Oh wow, it even says the boutique name. This must be super, super exclusive. I love hot pink, so I'm super happy with what I got here, guys. I got a poster, I got cupcake toppers, I got Chanel birthday candles, I got the mystery box, which came with a full-size hand cream, by the way. Worth it. I got 2 samples of the Chanel number 5 perfumes. Wow, I got a good bit of stuff here, guys. And as always, I will leave my beauty advisor's name and contact information down below. She can ship anywhere in the United States. So if you guys see anything online and, you know, want to reach out to her, have any questions, you guys can always contact her. Thank you guys so much for joining me today on this little Chanel Factory 5 unboxing and coming shopping with me to the boutique. If you guys are like me and have to have anything limited edition by anyone, by any means, please hit that like button and subscribe button and leave me a comment down below and let me know what you're excited to purchase from the Factory 5 collection. I hope you guys enjoyed my video and I will see you guys next time. Bye.